Sa videong ito, sinita ng mga kongresista si Duterte dahil hindi daw ito sumusunod sa House rules. Pero sinagot sila ni PRRD sa paraang hindi nila inaasahan. At kahit ikaw, matatawa ka na lang sa mga ito.
Congressman Akop,
Point of order lang.
what is the point of order?
May I remind our members not to ask question or shall we say permit a resource person to speak unless the chairman says so. That is the rule of this committee. Kanina pa po kami nandito, hindi kami kumikibo. Kasi yun po ang rule eh. So we must follow our rules to have an orderly proceeding. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you for reminding
I submit,
the chair.
Mr. Chair.
Please be reminded of the rule of this committee in allowing members or resource persons to speak. The chair must recognize them first. Please keep that in mind. You may
Mr. Chair.
continue.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Mr. President.
This is not really to debate with you. It might be improper. Pero, sir, before we can be really stand corrected, we must know the rules first. Kung may kopya sana kami, alam namin how to behave. The problem is, kayo lang may kopya ng rules ninyo, wala naman kami.
Okay.
So hindi namin masunod yung
The
gusto
consent is
ninyo.
directed to provide copies